Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Grove haul and I have been purchasing from them on a regular basis, just trying to find like my favorite products and figure out like what I like. I actually reordered some things that I really do like that I kind of wanted. Like what I do when I'm cleaning is I'll put a bin of things like back in our one bathroom, and then I'll put a bin of bathroom things in the other bathroom, so that way you don't have to run around the house and grab different things. Okay, I'm trying to get this straight. So that way you don't have to run around and try and get the different products. You just have them right there. It makes cleaning so much easier and just more efficient, so you don't feel like you're running back and forth. I remember when I used to do that when I was younger. But okay, so the first thing I have, also too, I feel like I mention this every video, but down in the description bar I always have my referral link. I do get a bit of a kickback for that if you do use it. It's a great promotion that they have. It's 7 free items when you sign up and you make a $20 purchase. It's for first-time customers only, free shipping for 2 months. And the 7 free products are a caddy. I usually show it. If you go back to one of my older Grove hauls, you can see it. But it has 3 of the Miss Meyers products: the countertop spray, the dish soap, and the hand soap, sponges, the 2-pack sponges, a bottle, like a glass spray bottle, and then I think it's a concentrate. And I actually have one of the concentrates here that I'll show you in just a minute. But it's a great deal. If you want, go and just click on the link and you can see what it adds into your cart, and then you can customize it to like what you want. Like the free products, you can pick like your scent, and then it'll add some random things to your cart just to say like other people like you like these products. Just X those out if you don't want them, and then you can add the $20 of whatever you want. So it's a great like way to try Grove out. Okay, so the first thing I have is I wanted to try, is this what I'm looking for here? Oh yeah. Okay, so I tried the 7th generation dishwasher packs in the lemon scent, and I really liked them. I tried the e-cover ones, and I feel like they left a bit of a residue. I felt like I needed to run my dishwasher a second time. With these ones, I feel like it's getting my dishes really clean, and I just like the way my dishes come out with this. I don't know if this is gonna stand up or not. Okay, anyways, it's lemon scented. I think they have a free and clear, whichever one you want. I really like those though, and they seem to do a good job. All right, I grabbed one of you recommended the 7th generation lemon chamomile scent, and I love this. Now this for me is better on surfaces like that you don't want like that oily look. This for me is better on like in my bedroom furniture. It's kind of the kind of wood that you don't need the super oily. What am I trying to say? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Like there's some surfaces you have in your house that are just wood and they don't have any like shine to them. And then there's like our table in our formal dining room always needs to be like shiny. So I always need like the oil type, but this is good for all the other surfaces. So I like that. And I love the smell of that it's a toss up between that and the Method almond scent. I love that scent as well, but I use the almond cleaner more for like the front of cabinets and that kind of thing. But that one's really good as well. Okay, the other thing I needed to get was, this is something that I did need to replace, is the Method fabric softener in ginger mango. I would say the Method laundry detergent is probably my favorite over the Miss Meyers. Something about the Method, I think I just like the ginger mango, and also the beach sage is really nice as well. But I just love the products that Method has for laundry. So there's that. And I feel like things come out smelling really good, clean. So I saw this, I don't know if this is new or not, but I decided to grab this. This is the Method laundry detergent packs. Oh, it's got a scratch and whiff, how funny. So this is also in the ginger mango scent, and so this I guess has everything you need in it. I don't know, what does it all? My husband was complaining that his clothes needed more, I don't know, he just said they needed something else, I don't know. And this was happening before we switched over to the Method. Oh yeah, it does smell like ginger mango for sure. Okay, so I don't know what all these have in them. I'm guessing, I don't know. I'll have to look a little bit later and see if it has Like, I don't know. I'll have to look at the little packs and see what they look like. I'm thinking they're probably going to be like those Tide Pods or whatever. Okay, the next thing I have is, let's see. Oh, okay. These I absolutely love. One of you recommended these to me. That's why I love when you guys comment, because you guys recommend the best things. Garden Mint wipes from 7th Generation. These smell so good, and I feel like they work amazing. I did do a sole review of some of the wipes that I have from from Grove that I'll put a little link to up here, so that up on the top of the screen, so that you can watch that if you want. So you know about some of the wipes. I feel like I've tried almost all of them. I did grab some more scent boosters in the Beach Sage, and yeah. So I feel like I go through the scent boosters quicker than I do the detergent. So the detergent and fabric softener are about the same size, so I feel like you can go through those about evenly. With the with the Miss Meyers, I feel like you go through the detergent a lot faster, and then no, you go through the fabric softener a lot quicker than the detergent. So that's why I think I kind of like the method better. And then I have the cleaning essential scent. I used the other scent that they gave me. I can't think of what it is right now, but I used it to clean my floors, and it was amazing. So I decided to get the 3-pack set. This is orange and rosemary. Just sounded good. And what you get, oh, how cute. They have, oh, okay. So they put stickers in here. I don't know, T, A, and G. What? Let's see, is this? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So all-purpose cleaner. I'm trying to figure out, like, what the hell? So they have an all-purpose cleaner. They have a tub and tile cleaner. And then they have a glass cleaner. So that's cool that they have little stickers, you know, and you can buy stickers from the store too, or labels, and put them on your glass bottles and put what they're for. So love that. Okay. Also for free, for some reason at the time, they had a free thing going on. So I got some tissues, which is perfect for now because I feel like my daughter's constantly blowing her nose. So these are sustainable bamboo and sugar cane, which I think is really cool. So I'll have to try these out and see how they work. I'm finding that the paper towels are working really well. I really like the paper towels. So, all right. They also had something on the site that was like it was a facial and body care kit that it was like 50% off. So I was looking at it and I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, it was like 20 bucks for all of this. So I was like, yeah. So I have never tried the Schmidt's Jasmine Tea deodorant, or just deodorant in general. So I decided to grab this. I have not smelled it. You know what? Maybe I should take a smell. Maybe I'll really like the scent. Oh, okay. That is definite tea. For sure. So I'll have to see. I'm sure they have other scents as well. Also included, I needed a new facial scrub. I usually keep them in the shower, and I had finished up my last scrub, so I was like looking at this one. So this is the Acure brightening facial scrub. So it's got sea kelp and French green clay for all skin types. So I decided I would try this and hope it doesn't break me out or whatever. That other, I'm gonna do a review on it, but something I bought that was supposed to be a facial scrub was making me break out, so I had to get rid of that. I got this for my daughter, the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin for acne with salicylic acid. Gosh, why can I not speak? Anyways, you know what I mean. Detoxifying charcoal cleanser. So I got this for her because she tends to go through acne quite a bit. So I thought she could give that a shot. And then also they included a hand sanitizer gel, which I thought was really nice. This smells amazing. I have a full size by my kitchen stuff, and it's in the blood orange scent. I don't love the scent of blood orange in like wax, scented wax, but in this, oh, it smells amazing. Love that. So also in this kit was, oh, okay, the box is like all. So this is the Coffee Bean Eye Cream, Brighten and Awaken, and Beauty by Earth. So I don't know, I just thought I'd try it. I love a good, I love like trying eye cream, so, and it seemed to have good reviews, so I just went for it. I can't get out of the box. Wait, maybe I can. Seems like I'm always chipping my nails. My nails are so easily chipped, so that's what it looks like. Can't see what it says. Oh, Bring Me Youth, Brighten and Awaken. So we'll try that. And then also, I don't remember, oh no, I think I bought these on their own. I think the other part of the kit, I think this is the last part, is a, I don't know what that's called, cognac sponge maybe? I don't know, it feels very strange. It's bamboo charcoal is a natural cleanser and exfoliator, great for sensitive, oily, or acne-prone skin. Use the sponge with cleansers or on its own, gentle enough for everyday use. I don't know, I think that sounds kind of interesting, and you replace it every 4 to 6 weeks. It's very like, it's weird. It's like almost like a plastic, very strange. And then I got a mask for my daughter. It's the Yes to Tomatoes Detoxifying Charcoal Paper Mask. Thought that would be good for her. I was almost grabbed 2 so that we could do them together, but I don't really need a detoxifier. And then this might have been part of the kit, or maybe I grabbed this on my own. This is the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels. I like to put these on when I'm doing like my eye makeup, like right before you like put on your foundation after you're done with like eyeshadow and stuff. It catches, you know, anything, any sort of fallout or anything, and it also helps, you know, underneath your eyes while you are getting ready for whatever thing, you know, whatever event you're getting ready for. So I like to try those out to see how they do. But yeah, that was just my quick haul. I just wanted to go through things quickly. So I hope to do a favorites, like a cleaning favorites video soon. I've found some definite Grove favorites that I think will stay in my rotation. It just makes cleaning more fun for me, or at least like, not fun. I wouldn't say cleaning would ever be fun, but I just feel like more happy, like it sparks joy, as Kondo would say. But I just feel like when something smells good or it has that better scent, then like, I think Suzanne, was it you, Suzanne, that was saying that you're probably never stop using Lysol wipes or whatever. Now, for some reason, when I use Lysol wipes, I'm just kind of like, I'm not impressed with the smell anymore. I'm just like kind of like, ooh, this is really strong. I think that just happens naturally, but yeah, because I keep Clorox wipes around too, just, you know, just in case. Excuse me, I have the hiccups now. But anyways, okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if you have tried any of these beauty products, I'd love to know. If you've tried the Method laundry detergent packs, I'd love to know, because those are new to me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, just leave a comment down below. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.